Welcome to part 4, KDP Rocket's AMS keyword feature. In this video, we're going to show you what AMS is, what the AMS feature can do for you, and how KDP Rocket generates the AMS keywords. And with that, let's begin. AMS, or Amazon Marketing Services, is Amazon's book advertisement system that allows you to advertise your book in front of Amazon shoppers when they type in a specific keyword or look at a specific book. Basically, it's your way of saying to Amazon that you'd be willing to pay a couple of cents for each person they convince to click on your book and check out your book sales page. And if you'd like to learn more about AMS and how you can effectively and efficiently advertise your books with this system, then be sure to check out my completely free video course on AMS ads by going to amscourse.com, or you can also access it on the tutorial page of KDP Rocket. One thing that many authors struggle with in AMS is getting Amazon to actually show their books to shoppers. The truth is, you need to create campaigns that have hundreds of keywords in them in order to get significant traction. Even Amazon, in their official document, recommends that you use a minimum of 100 plus keywords per campaign in order to make your AMS campaigns remotely effective, as well as creating multiple new campaigns constantly. Now, before KDP Rocket's AMS keyword feature was in existence, authors would have to go through Amazon's suggested keywords, as well as go through the top books and categories and copy and paste the titles and author names and paste them into an Excel sheet and then upload them. But luckily, KDP Rocket now does all of that for you. All you have to do is click on AMS keyword search, type in the description, and KDP Rocket will get to work pulling all the pertinent information and listing it out for you. KDP Rocket lists the following: Amazon suggested keywords, Amazon A through Z suggested keywords, the title and author names for the top books listed in the results of the original keyword search results, and the title and author names for the top 20 books listed in the categories that the top books are listed for in the original keyword search results. As you can see, KDP Rocket can quickly pull over 150 plus AMS keywords with the simple click of a button. And when you're ready, just click the export button, name the file, tell your computer where you want it to be saved, and just like that, you've got your data. Then, when you're in your AMS dashboard, just highlight the cells from the Excel, copy, and then paste them right into AMS, and you should be good to go. This alone saves me hours a week. No longer do I have to go through Amazon pages, copying and pasting names and titles, or having to use multiple programs to generate potential keywords. Instead, I can quickly do pertinent, up-to-date searches, combine my Excel exports, and create a list of keywords ready for my AMS campaign. So, this concludes our introduction to the AMS keyword feature of KDP Rocket, where we learned what AMS is, how to learn more about this marketing tactic, and how KDP Rocket will help you with your campaigns. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into the category search feature. I'll see you there.